All right, so today we're going to be cleaning up the homestead and doing a little bit of chores around the property since it has been so exceptionally warm out for February. I'm going to be using this bike. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting some stuff today, smaller stuff, and I'm going to try to use my new 390cc Honda Baja bike that I got for $100 to tow the wagon, which we have way up over there. And that's gonna be a lot easier on me. I was basically towing that wagon last year, doing this stuff by myself with basically all flat tires, blown bearings, everything. It's a rust bucket. And I ain't doing that no more. I'm tired of that crap. So we're gonna do that. And I'm just gonna try to capture footage whenever I think it makes sense. Let's go. All right, I've got the rust bucket wagon attached to the mini bike. There is one huge rule of thumb that I follow is to keep the rope as far away from the chain and sprocket as possible. I'd rather have the rope burn from the muffler than I would have it getting caught up there. It could be a nightmare to release it from there, and it could also be very dangerous. So, yep, there it is, boom, boom. I put it a pretty good distance back, so I prefer that. A little bit of margin for F-ups. So yeah, let's go. All right, so we've got a metal rake, loppers, and just a regular good old-fashioned weed whacker. So here we go. We're about to get started here. I've got an area of interest I want to attack first. Let's go. All right, so this is the area of interest. All of these small little trees are going. So we want to get this area as clear as possible because it's closer to the house. And over time, this stuff will get out of control. This stuff grows way too quick. And every year we cut it back, it just comes back like a weed. Is it gonna be top heavy? Yes. This ain't my first rodeo. This is gonna be definitely a test for sure. But if it tips over, it tips over. So be it. I'm willing to take that on. Look at that. That's insane. Here we are. It made it in one piece to the burn pile. All right, I got her empty. Here's the bike. Here's the pile. It is a girthy pile. Look at that. This is gonna be an excellent fire right here. All right, here is the after of doing all that cleaning. All right, in conclusion, is it a good old bike for towing a bunch of sticks? It was a lot of weight. Yes, it does a much better job than the other two behind me, the Neutron bike right there, and then Free Roamer. So I have yet to name my third bike. I'm thinking about it, and I'm not gonna rush thinking about the name though, but it is amazing for towing heavier loads. Do I recommend it? Only if you're willing to try it. It is kind of risky and dangerous. I wouldn't recommend this for everybody. You need to have experience and skill and have common sense to drive one of these. And what I'm doing is kind of unorthodox, so yeah, but it works a lot better than having to tow it with my own two arms behind me. It is not fun doing it that way. So I rate this for towing easily an 8 out of 10. The only thing I don't like is that it likes to sometimes slide, you know, because it's only two wheels. If it was a four-wheeler, it would be better. So yeah,